India has become a place where young, creative minds can grow and make a big impact. With a strong history of business and lots of support for new ideas, more and more young leaders are changing industries and boosting the economy. These innovators are not just building successful businesses, but also inspiring many with their stories of hard work and smart thinking. Today, we'll meet 5 young entrepreneurs who have made a big difference in different fields. Let's get started. First up, it's Sri Lakshmi Suresh, the founder of eDesign Technologies. At the age of 14 years old, she started this web design and development company. But her journey began never earlier, when she was just 8. eDesign Technologies offer a range of services including website design, development, digital marketing and e-commerce solutions, catering to businesses, schools and non-profits. From web design to hospitality, young entrepreneurs in India are making waves in various fields. Now, let's meet an innovator in the hospitality industry. We have Ritesh Agarwal, the visionary behind Oyo Rooms, now you know as Oyo Hotels and Homes. Ritesh started his entrepreneurial journey by founding Oravel Stays at 21, just 21 years old, which evolved into Oyo Rooms. Under his leadership, Oyo expanded quickly, not just in India but globally, including countries like China and United States. Logistics can be tough challenge, but for small businesses. But our next young entrepreneur found a small solution to this problem. At the age of 16, Tilak Mehta found Papers and Parcels, a logistic company helping some small businesses. Tilak's smart approach has paid off, with his businesses reportedly earning around 2 crore monthly. Next, let's see how one entrepreneur changed the eyewear industry in India. Piyush Bansal, the founder and CEO of Lenskart, changed the eyewear industry in India by offering affordable and stylish options. Founded in 2010, Lenskart has grown into one of India's largest online retailers of eyewear, with both online and offline presence. And now, finally, let's meet the dynamic duo who transformed the e-commerce landscape in India. We have Sachin Bansal and Bini Bansal, the co-founders of Flipkart, which started as an online bookstore in 2007 and evolved into a leading e-commerce giant. Their smart strategies made Flipkart a household name in Indian e-commerce. These young innovators are not just changing the business landscape in India, but also inspiring millions to follow their dreams. And now, here we come to an end. Who inspires you the most? Do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories. So see you soon in another interesting episode. Until then, please do take care. Have a nice day. It's Meghla Kannan signing off.